This is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2018 Toyota Hiace, stock number 6754. This ran from the 9th 2006 to the 4th 2019. It has a 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 1KD, 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel good tyre. Manual gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Factory single stack Sat Nav stereo. Left front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.